Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about the best stocks to buy before the COVID-19 vaccine is released. I am not a financial advisor, but this is just to check out the best stocks to buy before the vaccine comes out. This is just for entertainment purpose. So let's check it out one by one. As you know, the COVID-19 has hit the stock market very badly, and most of the stocks has not recovered after that huge market crash in March. So what I would think is still there is more, still there are stocks which we can buy which will be double or triple once the COVID vaccine is released. So let's check it out one by one and analyze one by one. So my first pick would be Delta. So as you know, Delta Airlines and for that fact, all the airlines are hit very badly due to the crash in the stock market and it's just recovering now since we have some news on the vaccine. So let's check it out. What is the financials of Delta? So as you all know, right now it's at 37, but if you can see the 1 year chart, it was at the 5960 levels and it is hit by COVID. So here you can see in March it was hit by COVID and then now it's trying to recover. It has reached 37, but I would say this can run even more. Once the vaccine news has come and once the vaccine is approved, I think it will run more. So let's check out the financials. If you analyze this, the analyst rating itself says not to sell it, or there is no analyst which says to sell it. So it's a strong buy or a buy or a hold, which means they feel good about this stock and this stock can recover. Now, if you go to the financials, we know the financials of this year might not be good because they are hit very badly due to COVID, but it's a very strong company. So the main thing I would like to check is the cash flow. So if you can see here, the cash flow is pretty good. It's a pretty good graph. It's not a negative cash flow. It's a very good, they have a very good operating, they have a very good operating cash flow. So I would say this is one of the stocks which has still more to go and is the one of the best stocks which we can put our money into if you want a 2 into X or a 5 into X recovery in the next 2 to 3 years. Okay, now let's look at the next stock. The next stock that would be is NCLH. That's the Norwegian Cruise Lines. So the Norwegian Cruise Lines is also hit very badly due to COVID. If you can see the 1 year chart, this was at like close to 60 and it was hit very badly as you can see in March and then it slightly starts to recover. Now the vaccine news has been out and we are all expecting it to come by December or January. So I would think this stock can double or triple once the vaccine news is out and people start using the cruise lines again. So now it's at 2012, but still I would say it has more to go. Now let's do some analysis. If you analyze, still they have a good analyst rating. Based on 17 analysts, it says like this is the rating. Now if you go to more on its financials, what I would like to observe is, if you can see, there is already 677 institutions which is holding the stock. So if you can see, there are many institutions which is holding the stock, which makes me feel good to buy this stock because institutions already invest in stocks by doing a lot of research. So 60.21% is owned by institutions, which means a pretty large share is owned by institutions, which makes me feel good to buy this stock. So I think this is the next stock I would think that can go 2x or 3x times in the next like 12 to 18 months. And I would like to invest in this one. So this is the top two stocks, that is Delta and NCLH, that's a Norwegian Cruise Lines, which I would think is the best stock to buy before the COVID vaccine comes out. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purpose. Hope you liked my video. Thank you.